Welcome to day 2 of your daily English practice. Let's start with an essential greeting. Hello, how are you? This friendly phrase sets a positive tone for conversations and invites the other person to share how they feel. A simple smile pairs perfectly with this greeting, making it even warmer and more inviting. Next, we often need to invite someone to settle in. Saying, "Please sit down," shows respect and consideration for others while making them feel at ease in any environment, whether it's at home or in an office. How we express our feelings also matters. When you say, "I am feeling tired," you share a personal state that can connect you with others who feel the same way. It opens the door for empathy and support in conversations. Examining our surroundings is another way to practice. Look up and notice that the sky is blue. This simple observation can lead to bigger discussions about weather, nature, or even vacations, enhancing your conversational skills. Friendship phrases are important too. We are friends. This statement not only affirms a connection, but also strengthens relationships by reminding you both of the bond you share. In quieter environments like classrooms, the phrase, "Please be quiet," is crucial. It's a polite reminder to maintain focus and respect the learning space around you. As we transition to personal plans, you may express, "I am going home." This statement not only conveys your intention, but can also lead to discussions about where each individual calls home, fostering deeper connections. In an educational setting, recognizing your environment is important. "My school is big." This fact invites discussions about experiences and memories associated with school life. Among activities that bring joy, saying "I like to dance" not only shares your interests, but also sparks conversations about hobbies, inspiring others to share what they love as well. In any conversation, it's important to acknowledge roles. "She is my teacher." This statement reinforces respect and gratitude towards those who guide us in learning. As we share observations about our environment, you might note, "The water is cold." And this could segue into talks about seasons, activities like swimming, or even vacation plans. Promoting safe behavior is equally essential. Don't run in the classroom. This straightforward command emphasizes respect for safety and learning. In downtime, you might share, "I am watching TV." Connecting over favorite shows can form a basis for shared interests and recommendations. Looking towards the future, "We will meet later," expresses anticipation, setting the stage for future interactions. Encouraging learning, "Please open your book," is vital in educational settings, encouraging engagement and participation. When the weather changes, you might say, "It is raining outside." Our weather discussions can often lead to plans or casual chit-chat about the day's activities. Mentioning family is important too. "My brother is tall." Family dynamics play a significant role in personal identity and socializing. Physical belongings also are essential in conversation. "That is my chair." It provides a sense of ownership and belonging. Indulging in favorites makes conversations delightful. "I like ice cream." This shared pleasure often evokes positive memories and experiences. Lastly, expressing gratitude through phrases like "Thank you very much" leaves a lasting impression and fosters goodwill in your interactions. Each of these sentences serves a purpose, building your confidence as you practice English daily. Thank you for watching. Please connect with me for the Day 3 video.